So today we're going to review question number 2 from SAT Official Practice Test 1 in the calculator section. And question 2 says, if y equals kx, where k is a constant, so in other words, k is a number, we don't know what that number is, but it doesn't change, so it has one set value, and y equals 24 when x equals 6, what is the value of y when x equals 5? So the question that I always like to ask myself on all of these questions is, why are they giving me the information that they're giving me? So we see that they give us this equation, and then they tell us that y equals 24 when x equals 6. So the reason that they give us that is because using those two values of y and x, we can figure out what k equals by plugging them in. So let's plug them in. So we get 24 equals k times 6. Well, to solve for k, we just divide both sides by 6. And we find that k is equal to 4. Okay, but that's not what the question is asking us for. The question is asking us for what is the value of y when x equals 5. So we need to kind of do this again. So what we're going to do is, now we know k equals. So the original equation now is y equals 4x, because k is equal to 4. And we can just plug in 5 for x, and that'll tell us what y equals. So y equals 4 times 5. Therefore, y is equal to 20. And that's the answer.